A man arrested for the death of an 82-year-old Lake James woman is now facing additional charges. 29-year-old Matthew Hoover is facing 3 additional charges, including rape while armed with a deadly weapon, abuse of a corpse, and burglary while armed with a deadly weapon. The Steuben County Prosecutor's Office says these additional charges are based upon further lab test results. Police arrested Hoover after extensive investigative efforts and DNA analysis back in August. Investigators were called to the home of Wilma Ball in June. Court documents show Hoover abruptly quit his job and moved out of his home the day before Ball was killed, then stole his parents' truck and drove to Yorktown, the affidavit said. He then walked to Anderson, some 12 miles away, witnesses told police. Hoover is scheduled to be in court Monday.